So guys, check it out, the YouTube channel, Trading Simplified. Go over the links. You get access to the free Discord. You can click right in here. Within the free Discord, you have a discount to get into the WHOP as well. So if you want to take your investments up a little more and you want to have an individualized approach where you have a community of investors that are trading, go through the Discord, or you can go through the direct link through WHOP. We have it on both. Discord is free for you guys if you're looking to just get into trading, learn about it, or just you're already experienced and you want to be with traders that are like-minded. It's right there for you. And also check out the membership tab for the YouTube channel where you get to learn access like mastering the VWAP, how to scalp $50 to $150 a day, the break and retest strategy. You get the 200 EMA bounce, strategic dip buying approach. You get the ultimate dip buying strategy that's been working for me. Works particularly well in those bull markets. And you also have some free content here where you got the playlist for Trading Simplified where you can check this as well. I have the Robinhood platform, my day trading P&L where I've made over $100,000. And then we also have the members only playlist. Guys, remember, we have the Sunday stock breakdowns, so please be sure to check those out, okay? This is the WHOP. If you guys are interested, you get direct chat, inside chart and trade tips. You pay a monthly subscription, you learn technical analysis, you get the day trading strategy, you get to master the short and swing trade, and you get direct chat support. We also have the Discord available as well. So today, let's review some of the gains we've made on the year. Reviewing 2025 year to date, we're up $101,283. We're gonna go through this. I wanna show you the last 31 days that we've had so far, which has been nice. Up $18,000 on this as well. And some of the big movers in the last 31 days has been UNH. We've made $8,000 on UNH. And I want to kind of recap, go over some of the trades we've made, what's really made the difference this year. Looking at this, you can see some of the biggest gainers. Walmart, we've had $2,000 gained year to date in 2025. UNH, over $37,000 made as well. Looking at Tesla, we made over $13,000. Nvidia was a big one. We made $18,000. So we're going to review those type of stocks that we have huge gains on. I think it's important to just kind of recap on it, why we were scalping these, why we were swing trading these. And it's important just to kind of keep it in mind because the stocks that we trade are big caps, and these big cap stocks have just been moving like crazy. When you have a nice bull run like this, there is a lot of opportunity. So you always want to keep that in mind. So big gains on the year, up over $100,000 day trading. This is what it all comes down to. And guys, don't forget, you do have the free link in the bio that you could get if you want to see more. You have the Trading Simplified on the YouTube channel where you can recap. And remember, click this link up here, and then you can go under the Discord on the bottom here. You have the Discord where you get free access. So just go on the YouTube channel, go to the Discord, you get free access. And then if you want to take it a step further, you have the WHOP as well. So let's get into